BlackBerry is synonymous with security, and security, especially online security, has never been a bigger deal. Now, last year they had some success with the Key2, a beefy device that had a really great battery life and a stonking keyboard, but it was underpowered and a little bit overpriced. That was the general consensus. This year they're building upon that with the Key2, a slimmer smartphone with an even better keyboard and a bit more power under the hood as well. Available in more variants, BlackBerry hopes this will sway security fanatics and physical keyboard fanatics to pick one up. As soon as you get the Key2 in the hand, you know that it's thinner and lighter than its predecessor. 8.5 millimeters thin, it goes toe to toe with other flagships without keyboards. The 4.5-inch screen's also been nudged up a little bit so that keyboard is 20% larger. USB-C at the base, micro drilled speaker holes either side, and around the back you've got a dual camera for the first time on a BlackBerry device. Dual 12-megapixel cameras with manual controls as well, and there's that obligatory bokeh mode, though there is no optical image stabilization here. You won't be picking up a BlackBerry for the camera, but you may well be picking it up for the keyboard, and Key2 fans will be glad to hear BlackBerry's improved not just on the size but also the tactility. The keys are matte now, and there's a new additional shortcut button so you can quickly access your favorite applications. The fingerprint scanner is still within the space bar, and therefore you've got fingerprint security, but you can also fingerprint lock apps now. There's Detect on board, which is BlackBerry's own security system, and you've also got a wellness manager to manage the well-being of your smartphone. All this security focus again really complements the BlackBerry brand, but it's also very productivity centric as well. You've got BlackBerry Hub, where you've centralized all your emails, LinkedIn notifications, Twitter notifications, etc. Like I said, the BlackBerry Key2 wasn't quite as powerful as the flagships, and neither is the Key2. You've got a Snapdragon 660 series processor, but under the hood you've also got 6 GB of RAM, which will help things along nicely. There's also plenty of battery as well, 3,500 milliamps, and this supports Quick Charge 3, so you can get around 50% battery in 36 minutes. With Android 8.1 under the hood, the app support's going to be really plentiful, and there will be all the applications BlackBerry preloads. £579 isn't quite top tier flagship price, but it's hardly a budget phone by any means. In fact, the more powerful OnePlus 6 undercuts this. So if you really value a physical keyboard, it's a decent flagship option. In fact, it's your only flagship option, but if you're looking for brute force, you may want to look elsewhere. There's plenty of stuff I haven't spoken about. The keyboard can be used like a trackpad. There are additional features around the design. For all of the in-depth details, check out the words that accompany this video on techradar.com. Thanks for watching.